No, I ain't with it. Get money and make some more. No, I ain't finished. I'm tryna run up a bag. Foot on the gas. All of my pretty ain't getting it. Count up the cash. Hey baddies, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl 𝔖𝔞𝔭𝔥𝔦𝔯�𝔬𝔐𝔐, and I'm back with another video, as you can see. And for today's video, I'm bringing you guys another hair video. Not a wig, not no natural hair, but another braiding slash twisting video. So the hair that I'm using today, well, the style that I'm doing today is passion twist. And yes, it is fall. And yes, I'm doing passion twist because I'm up to here with wigs. Like, me and wigs need a break. So I'm going to transition into some more protective styles. So the hair that I'm using is from Xtrend hair. And they sent me 6 packs of their passion twist hair. Let me show y'all. Yes, they sent me that. So basically the items that you're going to need, they're really simple, they're really easy. You need the crochet tool. Get you some rubber bands. We need rubber bands. We're doing the crochet method. Some mousse. Go stock up on some Dollar Tree mousse, okay? And I use this oil sheen. You guys wanted to know exactly what it was called, so I'm going to show y'all. It is the Hair Passion Shining Aloe Vera Polisher. Go get that. It's real good. And I would be using Murray's Edge Wax, but I don't have that, and I'm not walking out to the store. So I'm going to be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax. Also, you need hair ties and some clips and a rat tail comb. So what I'm going to start doing is parting my hair. I know y'all see that deodorant. At least you know I smell good. When doing your hair, make sure you listen to some music or just put on a show. Don't rush, because if you rush, you're going to get a rushing mess. Okay, Pooh? So take your time and get the job done for less. Okay? For less. Saving money, baddie, on a budget. I'm going to link the video that I've been watching to do the passion twist so you guys can watch her as well, because she's bomb. She killed it, and that's why I'm doing it today. I'm making sure that I catch every piece, even the BBs. Want to make sure you slick those down. The kitchen gotta be nice. Okay, most of the time when doing my hair I get lazy, so I end up not even going row by row. Sometimes I start from the front, go straight back, and then section back like that. When doing the rubber bands, make sure that you have some type of room underneath, because remember, you do have to slip the crochet hair underneath. I'm going to try one. Like I said, this will be my first time, but I'm pretty much a visual learner, so I shouldn't have a problem. So this is how it looks. First of all, really nice. 22 inches, boo. 22. And once you unravel the hair, you already know what I mean. You already know what's up. Alright, so now I have a lot of squares. Okay, as you can see, I'm going crazy in here. I got a lot of squares. As I'm doing it, I'm still watching videos, because I don't know. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up. So yeah, I'm taking my time on watching the videos and trying to do it. The only thing that's messing me up is bringing it through. Oh my goodness. Okay, it came through. So I was able to put it through. I'm gonna have to show you guys again once I get really used to it. The twist is long. It's long, real long. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. It's real cute. Continue and see how this goes. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what you need. 2 pieces of the hair, and I just unraveled it completely. Start from the bottom or it will get nappy, and that's not what we want. So yeah, take 2 pieces to get this size. If you want this size of your passion twist, take 2 pieces and unravel them both. Now that you have both pieces unraveled, you're gonna put them together. Hold on, and you're gonna take either fingers, I say a thumb, and just spread it apart. Loosen it up, make it less uniform. And I find it easier when doing this hook. If you don't want to pull your hair out or make it, if you don't want it to hurt at all, put it in with the clip underneath. How did I do it? So yeah, sideways through, and it'll open and the clip will be like that. And then you want to turn it this way. add some product on the hair so that when you twist it around to put it through the loop, like on the hook, it'll stay small, because you don't want to pull that fat piece through your hair like that from the get-go. And then I hold it like this with my hand so it stays. I'm going to try to use my camera. And then take it like that, put it on the hoop, and then close the latch. And then we're gonna pull it through. Is it all through? Okay. It came off, but it looks like most of it is through there. So, and then one out of the two pieces you're gonna pull through. So separate it to see which piece is which. And I'm gonna pull this piece through. Put it all the way through. Be neat. Make sure that your hair is not a part of it. And then I'm going to pull both pieces like that. Really nice and snug. So now you have the two pieces in your hair. Split your hair into two pieces, equal pieces, so that you can use for both sides of the hair. And take your product and apply on your hair so that the textures will not be noticeable. Do you see? The textures are noticeable. And then you can twist as normal. And I'm really feeling this method, crochet method. I'm feeling it. And you want to twist tight. Twist tight, not loose, because once you're done the whole twist, it's going to become loose. Like on the ends, apply the product and continue to twist. I'm already feeling myself in my hair, not even done. Okay, so baby girl, the time is now. Let me let you guys know what's up. The time is 1:24 a.m. I have school tomorrow. I have to wake up at 6, but it's okay. So I'm more than halfway done with my hair. I'm not gonna wear it in the middle part until like I lay it down and let the hair be flat, but I have this section to put in rubber bands. This right here is in rubber bands. And I'm over here watching Choice TV, period. Destin Choice, hi my babies. But yeah, we're about to finish this. Girl, as you can see, I am tired. Right, so now I have just 2 more sections that I have to do. And you don't understand how ready I am. You would think because they're twists, it's way easier, but the actual crochet method takes longer. So I'm gonna start learning how to twist it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna learn how to twist it and dip so it can go faster, but for my first time doing them, they're coming out good. So I'm gonna finish these 2 and then just prep it, like put my mousse and do all the final fixes and touches on it, and we're gonna see what to do. All right, so this is the very last one. I'm at the end and I'm so ready to be done. Oh my goodness. So eat and go to sleep. You don't have to worry about hot warming them. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. So all of my twists are done. Let me see how they look in the back. Let's see, my edges are not done, so don't do me. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something. Right here is where I started to go lazy with my parting, but other than that, I do like the twist. I'm gonna let you guys know how many packs I used. So you can say I used 5 packs. So this is 5 packs of hair. I used two strands for each twist. And cut all of my ends off. I like it though. It's really cute. The hair is nice and long. Let me let you guys know about the hair. I like the hair. I really do feel like it's pretty good quality hair. The only thing that I dislike extremely is that don't think that you're gonna get this hair on Amazon and then that it's gonna have Prime shipping. Because when I bought it, it did not have an option for Prime shipping. It took me almost a month to get. So boo, go to your local beauty supply store or go find another company if you want to order on Amazon and you want it fast, okay? Because this alright, so I just put my hair in a high ponytail basically. Don't do me for my edges. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, that's all I'm gonna say because they look ridiculous. But I'm gonna work on them. I just put my hair up because I'm about to go to sleep. I really do like how they came out. Really nice, really cute. Who am I feeling like right now? Shanae. I'm feeling like some, no, poetic justice. Giving you real poetic justice vibes. You know, I had to be extra and show y'all my mirror, but I want to show you guys the hair too. I'm loving this style. It's so nice, so simple. Literally, you can wear it any type of way and it still looks good. So sis, you need to hook yourself up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. Baddies, I love you guys. Make sure to be you and don't try to be anyone else because there's only one you. Bye.